As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Spirit E-310. What do you think?
Oh yeah, those are both popular choices. What are you planning on grilling mostly? That might help decide.
Probably burgers, chicken, maybe some veggies. Nothing too fancy, but I'd like something that heats up well and is easy to clean.
Okay, well, the Char-Broil has a bigger cooking area, 475 square inches compared to the Weber's 360. So if you're cooking for a crowd, that might be a plus.
Ah, good point. We sometimes have friends over.
And it's got a side burner, which the Weber doesn't. Handy for sauces or warming things up.
True. But is the Weber better quality, maybe?
It could be. Weber's known for its build. The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are supposed to be super durable and easy to clean. The Char-Broil has porcelain coated cast iron, which might not be quite as tough.
Okay, that makes a difference. I hate scrubbing grills.
Also, the Weber has a 10-year warranty, which is pretty impressive. I don't see a specific warranty length listed for the Char-Broil.
Wow, that is a big difference. Makes me think the Weber is built to last.
One thing to consider. The Char-Broil has 36,000 BTUs, while the Weber has 19,000. Theoretically, the Char-Broil might heat up faster and get hotter.
But is that really necessary for just burgers and chicken?
Probably not. The Weber's heat is supposed to be very consistent, which is more important for even cooking, and the Weber is a bit heavier, which might mean sturdier construction.
So the Char-Broil is bigger, more powerful, and has a side burner, but the Weber is better built, has a longer warranty, and may be better at consistent heat.
Exactly. And the Weber has the WeberWorks system. You can add accessories to the side rails.
That is nice. I think I'm leaning towards the Weber. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.